Yes, blessed love to everyone out there. Um, you know, make a video the other day and I was saying that a lot of these network is not doing charity like Facebook, YouTube, Digicel, JPS, and a lot of rich people that I addressed in farmer video. I want to ask if you to I want to apologize and ask, y'all to forgive me for saying that because I know that I think about it and I go back and I look back at it and y'all do a lot of charities. Y'all did a lot of charities. Facebook did charities, YouTube did charities, Digicel give away a lot of money to customers. JPS, they rob you so much time, hooked up on you, and that's more than charity. I want y'all to continue to bless poor people and look out for poor people because poor people is very important in these times, these perilous times. They're very important. So I want you to continue to bless poor people. Keep on looking out for the people, and the people thank you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart that y'all do so much for the people, even for me. You know what I mean? Y'all did things for me. I can't say y'all didn't do things for me. I have to be grateful, not ungrateful. So I'm not really an ungrateful person. I'm a just person. I go back and look into my heart and I see that what I said was wrong. So I come back and I clarify myself. So bless you all and may you continue to do great charities for the people. We love you. God bless you. Peace be with you. Be safe in this whole pandemic. Rastafari bless.